Sometimes it happens that we want to get a data from a particular table. For example, this is the table, and we want to get the department data on the basis of names that we have. So here we can't use VLOOKUP. This is because VLOOKUP will be able to return only the right side of the data on the basis of the left row. For example, if we will give it a name, then it will be able to give us joining date and salary, etc. What if we want department on the basis of name? Will VLOOKUP be able to do that? No. So in that case, we will use index matching. Index matching is not in itself a function. Basically, it is a combination of function which include index and matching. These both are separate functions that we combine together so as to get any data either from left side or right side, horizontally or vertically, etc. So let me tell you that what is index and what is matching separately first. So first of all, let us understand index. Let's say we want the name Jimmy, but we only know that Jimmy is at the third row, and we know the exact column where it is. For example, first of all, equals to index parenthesis. As you can see, it is asking for array. This is the array. Basically, this is the column where your answer is present. So in this case, we are getting our answer from this. So I select this. Then it is asking for row number where you want to data from. Here we want Elvish name, and we can see that it is at the second row. So we will put second, and the rest, as you can see, this is under the square bracket. So it is optional. We'll close and press enter. See, this is how index basically works. Now let me tell you how match basically works. So let us put the formula equals to match. Now it is showing all the attribute that is required. First of all, it will require a lookup value. Lookup value basically the value that you want to find, where that you want to find in your table. So here we want to find Always, then lookup array. Lookup array basically where you want to find this thing particularly. So we want to find it in C, and then next match type. This is, as you can see, it is in square bracket, so this is optional. Uh, but there is one more thing. We will sorry, this match type is basically that how you want to be data. For example, 0 is for the exact match, 1 is for the approximate match. Most of the cases you will use 0, that is the exact match. So pressing 0, enter. See, you can see that in the C column it is at the second row, and that is what it is giving to us. So this is how basically index and match works together. So what will happen if we combine these both index and match together? From one we can get the index number, and on the basis of other we can get the data. So let us say that here I already have made a data validation. So here you can see there is a list. So we will find Millie. And on the basis of Millie, we want to get that which department she is from. So what we'll do, we'll combine both index and matching as a single function. First of all, we will use index. So we have to put the place where our answer is present exactly. So it is present in B, and comma. Now from here onwards, we will use the match function. Match. So first value that it take is lookup value, where we want to find the which value we want to find exactly. So here we want to find this, then a comma, then lookup array, where we want it to find exactly from. So we want to find it from C, then 0 or 1, true or false. So obviously we will want a 0 here. So as you can see, we have used both index and match, and it basically will return me with the department data on the basis of that name that we provide. See, Millie is from marketing department. Millie here also is from marketing department. So if I change the name, for example, L, So it should give me some different department. Okay, so it have changed. See, L is from management department. Sorry if I mistyped the management spelling. Okay, now it's good. So now let us check one more. Let's check of Rakul. Okay, so as you can see, it changed to departments as sales. So this is basically how an index match works.